market are down 6% from last year at this time, and buyer showings are down 16.3% from last year and down 67% from 2019. It's Friday, September 24th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Welcome to the fall market. New contracts are up 9.3%, and here's what's happening in the inventory. 1,864 came to the market, and this is down about 5%. 1,091 are coming soon, reflecting another decline in potential inventory. 914 homes went under contract. This is up 13%. 1,803 are temporarily off the market. 1,454 moved to pending, a 15% increase. And 1,674 homes settled this past week. This is up 22%. The highest price home to sell this past week was in Chevy Chase for $3,300,000. Rentals are at 1,119 units at an average price of $2,100 and going under application in about 20 days. That's your Maryland Market Snapshot for Friday, September 24th, 2021. Thank you so much for tuning in. Join me next week for another update and subscribe for new content. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.